After you complete the registration via email, you can see the number of referred learners, commission rate, total income, and balance information on your dashboard. Click on Refer and Earn in the menu to see your exclusive referral link and QR code. Share this with anyone interested in enrolling. When a learner registers through your link, they will appear in the Your Referees list below. You will receive the corresponding commission income each time a learner completes a paid course. Next, go to the Account Settings and then a Withdrawal Account in the menu. Here, you can set up your bank card information or PayPal account for withdrawals. After setting up your withdrawal account information, go to the Withdraws page in the menu, click Request Withdrawal, select your withdrawal method and amount, then submit the request. We will process your withdrawal request within 2 business days. GoGoABC defaults to paying your earnings in US dollars. If you need to receive payments in another currency or do not have a US dollar account, please make a note in the system. Our payment system will handle the currency exchange for you. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for your attention to GoGoABC.